tomato, olives and broccoli with wholemeal pasta. Prepare the ingredients. Pour boiling water into a large saucepan and bring to the boil. When boiling, add the fettuccine and cook for 10 minutes. Drain 1 can of cannellini beans. Cut 12 olives and pit them. Dice 4 tomatoes. Cut zucchini in half lengthways and then cut on the diagonal into slices. Finally, dice 1 onion. Crush 2 garlic cloves. Break off the florets of a medium broccoli. Pick the leaves of 1 bunch of basil. Roughly chop the basil. Cut 1 lemon in half. The ingredients are now ready to cook. Add onion and garlic to a hot saucepan and saute. Add the tomatoes, zucchini and broccoli. Continue to stir over a high heat for about 2 minutes. Add the cannellini beans. Add the olives. Stir through. Drain the cooked fettuccine and add it to the pan. Mix well to coat all the fettuccine with the vegetables. Finally, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and season with salt and pepper to taste. Then serve.